Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is how to reply to looking for service notifications on LinkedIn. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to turn on the notifications, they're very important. Okay, some context. Here I am on YouTube. We're going to switch from YouTube to LinkedIn. So let's go to my LinkedIn profile. This is my LinkedIn profile. Some of you will be aware of it. So is your content marketing working? And you can see on my LinkedIn profile, I'm a provider of services, content marketing, content strategy, social media marketing. There are more services listed there, and I'll just talk about that in a few moments. So those are listed on my profile. Because of that, I will get notifications when people in my network are looking for particular services. So let's go to notifications, and I've scrolled back to a week ago when I had these notifications. People you may know are looking for lead generation services, something I provide, looking for video editing services, something I provide, looking for social media marketing services, once again something I provide. People may, are also looking for digital marketing services, content marketing services. You get the point. So because I've listed those services on my profile, I get notifications when people are looking for them. So let's click on this first one and see what's happening. So we click on this one, this guy. So let's view the post. This guy's name is Dustin Monroe, I believe. Yeah, Dustin Monroe. And he said he's looking for recommendations for professionals who can help him with lead generation. Okay, that's one of the services my company provides, so that's great. Some people have reacted, they've liked it. I've liked it, and then there are some comments, and these comments are typically someone saying, yeah, we can do this, let us know more, etc. Hey Dustin, if you're looking for virtual assistants, okay, not quite exactly what he's asking for. And then some various people throwing their names into the hat to be considered for this pitch. Let's say it's a pitch, it's a LinkedIn pitch or a recommendation for this project that Dustin wants people for. Okay, so those are the predictable responses, and that's fine. That's one way of responding. But my recommendation is that you do the following. Instead of doing a written response, you create a bespoke video, a video for Dustin, and then you upload it as an unlisted video on your YouTube channel, and then you're going to post a link to that in response to his video. So he's had a number of reactions, but you're going to post a reaction, and it's going to have perhaps his name in the video title, and he's more likely to watch that and then consider your company. So what I would do is go in the video. The sort of content I'd have in the video would be Dustin, thank you very much for your call for exactly what lead generation services. That's something that my company can handle. This is my company, and these are the video my company's marketing fundamentals, and these are the video testimonials of happy clients. So I'd show him those, maybe link to a couple that have mentioned lead generation specifically. So that's something that I would do. I'd also perhaps pick from, because I have there are also case studies. So case studies, I would highlight a couple of case studies that have been very successful in terms of generating leads, and I do this all in a short video, maybe a couple of minutes, and then I'd post the video, as I said, as unlisted on YouTube, and then I would post the link to the video, probably just one sentence, in response to his call for lead generation services. That the reason I would do that is because that's a bespoke response, so he's getting attention, and he's getting a credible response from somebody who has done this kind of work in the past. Also, he's getting a quick way of looking at of doing his due diligence. He can watch the testimonials, he can read the case studies, and in approaching the request for services in this way, you are going to be what? You're going to stand out from these people who've said, we can do it, you know, I'm available 24/7, etc. We can do it, etc. Just in writing. You're going to have made a brand new video that mentions him by name, and that's going to have a lot more impact than these people who've just said we can do it, or can you tell us more, or when's the project starting, and all the sort of general questions that people have asked. So this is something that people have said to me, don't give away all your secrets when when you're making your YouTube videos, because people will just copy you. Well, I'm very generous, and here's a strategy for you that will work. So create videos in response to these requests for services, and then post the videos. Follow the person that's posted the update looking for services. Follow the person, look at their company page, also follow that. Post your response, post your link to the video, bespoke video, post the video obviously on YouTube, and let me know how you get on with that. But it's something that's it's a much higher level response than just saying we can do that, or let's talk a bit some more, because I don't really feel that any of these responses, and it's no criticism of anybody here, but there's not one response here that jumps out and you say we're going to go with those guys. Whereas if you put a bespoke video in response to this, then I think you're going to have the desired impact. And in this case, Dustin Moore is going to be more likely to connect with you and then to respond to you, because a lot of people are very reluctant to make videos, and to make personalized videos requires even more work. So a lot of people aren't doing it. You can stand out by doing that. Hope you found this strategy useful. It's something that will help you double down on lead conversion within LinkedIn. So this lead is already on LinkedIn. The person is actively searching for services. You can go in there and pick up this project, this brief, just by doing that sort of response. Just some other points about responding to these notification of somebody's looking for services. What I tend to do is I will look at the profile of a company. I'll look at the where they're geographically located, and evaluate a number of different factors before I decide which leads to respond to, because as you can imagine, if you're getting 10-15 of these notifications for people requesting services, and then you're making personalized videos, that's quite a lot of work. So you need to be selective about those that you respond to. I wouldn't respond to all of them. You might appear desperate doing that, but I wouldn't respond to all of them. Respond to those that you think there's a potential client that matches our existing client base. There's somebody that we can really do a great job for because it matches some projects and some clients that we've worked with in the past, and that's why we're responding to this. So you might respond with a video to 5 out of 10 or 5 out of 15, but you make those videos very good, take a qualitative approach, and they should be very well received. Don't try and do a video every time, because you'll burn out making lots and lots of videos. Perhaps for some clients that aren't a perfect match for you. So do some due diligence into the company, the client, the sector, everything before you decide, hey, I'm going to make a personalized video for them. When you've done that, make the video and post it and give a link to the person that's asked for services. Hope this strategy has been useful to you, and I hope this video has been useful to you. If you've liked this video, please give me a like. Click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye. And if you haven't subscribed already, thanks. Bye bye.